So in this video, we're going to cover something that you want to do before you end up doing partial fractions, and that's division. So if you see that our top degree, which in this case is a 4, is bigger than or equal to the bottom degree, which is a 1, then we need to divide this. And if the denominator fits the x minus 1, that x minus r situation, then we can use synthetic. So before we do that, though, we do need to expand that polynomial into its 5 terms. So if it's a degree 4, you're going to end up with 5 terms with this. So, okay, so this would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then with x minus 1, we use positive 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Shrink it, move this over a bit. All right, and then this would now become, this is x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. And so by doing this quick little synthetic, we end up with x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 dx. And then it's a quick integration from there. There we go. Nice, quick answer. All right, let's try another one. So same thing here. So this is t minus 2, and everything is good on this one. So negative 2, we've got a t squared with 3 terms. So 4, 2, negative 1. So it'd be 4, negative 8, negative 6. That's a 12. So an 11. So this would become 4x minus 6 plus 11 over t plus 2. So from negative 1 to 1. dt. That's not an x, that's a t. Do that a lot. There we go. Now everything matches. You always know at the very end when it says dt that everything should be t's. So this would become 4 over 2 t squared minus 6t plus 11 ln t minus 2 from 1 to negative 1. Now this is a quick simplify, so I'm just going to change it to a half. And this would be 1/2 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 11 ln, that's a plus 2, perfect, of 1 plus 2. And then minus, the next one, would be 1/2 times negative 1 squared minus 6 times negative 1 plus 11 ln negative 1 plus 2. Okay, and so our top one would become 1/2 minus 6 plus 11 ln of 3. And we can get rid of those parentheses now because it's positive. Absolute values. And then the bottom would be minus, and then this is a half, so negative 1/2. And then that would be positive 6 minus 6. And then minus 11 ln of 1, which is 0. So nice little quick cancel. So we end up with negative 12. And then plus 11 ln of 3, because negative 11 ln of 1 would be 0. ln of 1, 0. So that is what we should have for our answer. So now let's check with our calculator. And there we go. It checks perfectly. So there you go. There's synthetic and why you get to use it. So make sure the denominator is always x minus r, in this case t plus r. But make sure it's that way before you use synthetic. Top degree has to be bigger than the bottom. Okay, we do have a tiny simple error here. So we had a 4 here, and I just completely ignored it. So let's go back and fix it. It's not going to change our answer, but it's just nice to have that on here. So if we had 4 divided by 2, that would actually be 2, which makes that a 2. That's a 2. Same thing. This would be a 2 minus 2, and they still cancel. So it didn't affect our answer. We had the correct answer regardless of that coefficient, but it really should be in there. So again, 4 divided by a half would be 2. So this is really 2t squared. And I should have checked it because 2 times 2 is 4. It's 4t. But there we go. Now everything is good.